Welcome to SPSPM's Renuka High School, Satara Parisara Aurangabad. Myself, Mahajan Arbi, Assistant Teacher of English. Today, we are going to learn topic 1.4 Be Smart English Workshop. In this section, we are going to take a look at 1.4 Be Smart English Workshop. 1.4 Be Smart English Workshop. Complete the following web with the words associated with the text and the given title. Components of success: specific, time bound, measurable, achievable, realistic, skill, will, natural talent. Second A. Pick out examples from the text that support each of the following facts. A. Goals should be achievable. Answer: as students, we can't become a president, a prime minister, but can hope to reach those heights in future. B. A time limit should be set to achieve goals. Answer: establish time parameters around each goal, as it will help increase focus and accountability. To reduce weight, we know how to go about it, but without consistent time bound action, it never becomes a reality. C. A specific field area has to be fixed to achieve goals. Answer: the more specific the area, the more refined the achievement of one's goal can be. It makes it easier to set parameters and work towards the goal. For example, if it is building a house, what exactly is the capacity required and how long can it stretch? D. Good results depend upon the quality and quantity of work put in. Answer: the quality and quantity of energy we put forth directly impact the results. Life is something like a trumpet. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. E. A benchmark is needed to track progress. Answer: this makes it easy to benchmark performance throughout the goal period, including areas to improve. While playing football, one's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. Complete the following sentences. A. Smart goals are a methodology of thinking that helps people reach success. B. Two valuable assets of setting goals are a sense of originality and a stepping stone to illuminate the path. Read this quote. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. Guess the meaning. Discuss in pair and find similar quotes that bring in the same meaning. Answer: meaning. The above quote means that in life, what we get is related to how much effort we put for achieving success. If we are lazy and do not put much effort, then we should not expect great success. However, if we are hardworking and remain focused on the task, then we can achieve what we want. Similar quotes: you reap as you sow. Input is equal to output. Garbage in, garbage out. Where there is a will, there is a way. What goes around comes around. Drafting a speech. Discuss in groups each block and make notes about it. Title: how can I draft an impressive speech? Points or blocks. A. What should be the size or length of the speech? B. Do I know the format? C. How to start? D. How to write? E. How to bring quality to your speech? F. What are the relevant thoughts, slogans, maxims? G. Which are the most important elements to be included? H. What is the systematic overall procedure to justify an impressive speech? The above points are guidelines for writing a great speech. Students need to discuss amongst themselves each point and use those when writing a speech. 6. Speech development. A. Content. A. Greeting and introduction of the topic. B. Exposition of main theme, clarity of message, organized thoughts and ideas. C. Moral and practical application with examples. D. Conclusion. B. Speaking presentation, verbal clarity, pronunciation of words, voice modulation and projection. B. Presentation, speaking style, mannerism, audience eye contact, ability to keep the audience engaged. C. Useful phrases and vocabulary. A. It's a pleasure to see you all. I am happy to see you today. It's good to see you all here. B. Today's topic is. My talk is about. My topic is. C. The purpose, aim of this speech. D. I will focus on one or two or three major issues. E. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. 7. Do's and don'ts for delivering a speech. Add some more points. Do's. Talk slowly. Emphasize keywords. Be confident. Maintain eye contact. Remain cheerful. Give examples. Be polite. Don'ts. Don't mumble. Don't look up and down. Don't be nervous. Don't forget. Don't talk too long. Don't repeat things. Don't be restless. Thank you. Next lecture, lecture number 10, topic name, language study. Thank you.